In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Microsoft Planner with external users. Before we start, it helps to know how Planner sharing works. Microsoft Planner is connected to Microsoft 365 groups. That means when you give someone access to a plan, you are really giving them access through the underlying group. If the person is outside your organization, they need to be added as a guest first, and then added to the plan. A common and reliable way to manage this is through Microsoft Teams, since Teams is also tied to the same group. First, go to Microsoft Teams and open the team that is associated with your Planner plan. Once you are on the correct team, look for the More Options menu next to the team name. Select it, and then choose Add Member. In the box that appears, type the external user's email address. When Teams recognizes that this address is outside your organization, you will see an option to add that address as a guest. Select that guest option to add them. At this point, the external user is added to the Microsoft 365 group behind the team, which is what makes Planner access possible. Next, open Microsoft Planner and go to the specific plan you want to share. Once the plan is open, move to the top right area and select Members. This is where you manage who can access and collaborate on the plan. In the Members field, type the external user's email address again. As long as they were added as a guest in the previous step, they should appear as a selectable result. Select their name to add them to the plan. After they are added, you can share the plan link. In the plan, open the menu for sharing options and choose Copy Link to Plan. This copies a direct link that you can send to the guest through your normal communication method. Keep in mind that the link only works if the guest has already been granted access, and they may be prompted to sign in and accept the guest invitation the first time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.